Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to update to Windows 23H2 before any other user. To start, we will validate the current version. In the search enter, WinVer. Click there, see the version used. After this, click on the Start menu. Click on Settings. Now go to Windows Update. Here, click on Windows Insider Program. To belong to this group, click Get Started. Then, click Link an Account. Choose the account to use. At this point, select the option, Release Preview. It is ideal to receive the latest versions. Click Continue. Now accept the usage agreements. For everything to work correctly, click Restart Now. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We are going to wait for the system to reboot to be part of Windows Insider. When you log in, click Start, then click on Settings. Here, go to the Windows Update section, then click on Check for Updates. In a moment, you can see that version 23H2 of Windows is available. At this point, it expects it to be downloaded locally. Now wait for it to install on the hard drive. When it finishes, click Restart Now. This will allow the system to update to this new version. When you log in, enter WinVer again in the search. Click on the command. You can see the new version in use. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.